Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your communication skills. First, focus on active listening by truly hearing and processing what others say, rather than just waiting to speak. Next, pay attention to your body language and facial expressions, as these often speak louder than words. Finally, practice articulating your thoughts clearly and directly, ensuring your message is easy to understand and free of jargon. These foundational steps will significantly enhance your interactions. To enhance your verbal communication, start by using I statements to own your feelings. For example, I feel frustrated when, instead of you always make me frustrated. This reduces defensiveness. Also, modulate your voice, varying your tone and pace to keep listeners interested and convey emotion effectively. Lastly, ask open-ended questions that invite detailed responses, fostering deeper conversations and understanding, rather than simple yes or no answers. Mastering nonverbal cues is equally important. Aim for consistent eye contact, about 60 to 70% of the time, to show you are engaged and trustworthy, but avoid staring. Keep your arms uncrossed and body open to signal receptiveness and approachability. Subtly mirroring the gestures or posture of the person you are speaking with can also create a sense of connection and rapport, making them feel more comfortable and understood. Continuous improvement in communication requires consistent effort. Actively seek feedback from trusted friends or colleagues on your communication style. This provides valuable insights for improvement. Regularly practice speaking in various settings, from small groups to larger audiences, to build confidence and refine your delivery. Remember, effective communication is a skill that develops over time with dedication. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.